I mean, earnings in 2 days. You know,
Can you check out where's Oscar?
there's stuff. Yeah. You want me to check out the flow of the chart or both?
Just check out the flow on 8811p. Came up on the DGen ER.
Okay. Um, I'll get to your flow in a second, Skeptor. What was it? Sorry.
88 11p I think was what came in.
No, I meant the ticker.
Oh, Oscar OSCR.
Oh yeah, I know this thing.
Oh my
Um,
God, Scepter went with all the. I just saw it.
I know. I'm gonna look at all those in a second. Uh, a little bit messy for the volume coming in. Uh,
It's right there, I think, at the bottom. The 11p, 11.
oh,
Yeah, right under the 14.
oh, there we go. Okay, let's see. Okay, so maybe an ad because you have this over here.
Mm-hmm.
Um, don't know if it's related or not. Let's see what this look like. Okay, so you have one big buyer coming in, literally cents thrown at it, 10K. Um, check open interest tomorrow, but let's see this.
Earnings is tomorrow morning. That's why.
Okay. Maybe an ad. Um, I mean, this candle's much smaller than this, so hard to say.
Okay.
See the multi percentage. Yeah, 7% sweeps, 82% floor trades. No, yeah, this looks good.
There was also a call actually that came in today on the filter, so maybe it might be one person buying calls, one person buying same person buying puts, just a hedge, so it might be a little bit too noisy, I guess, like you said.
Yeah, this this was a bit weird. Are they selling? Looks like they're selling puts here.
Yeah, kind of looks weird.
97. Yeah, it looks too weird for me. Like I wouldn't take it, but if you're confident, I mean, I won't stop you.
We also got Snap, massive Snap call, like as if out of the money Snap premium that came in too. So you can do Scepters and then we can check out the Snap one. I'll post it in here.
All right, cool. Toast puts. Okay. I'm assuming those are from today, so I can just bring them up here. Uh, okay, so you have these, the 55 call for 2026. These are neutral. Let's see. Are they okay? These are more towards the bid side, but that doesn't tell you much when it's none. It's an opening trade. Okay, let's look at the actual thing. So I'm assuming it's the 39 put for 815. Overall, it looks bullish to me regarding Allen. Thousand. Uh, these look like buys to me. Um, you have the IV going up. You have increasing volume. Um, increasing bid ask and spot, and so yeah, I would say those are buys, but you know, just this kind of worries me. But yeah, that looks good. TM. These came in a few days ago as well. Not a lot of volume on these, mainly just a bunch of open interest. Let's see, when did these come in? Skeptor, which AMTM calls are you referring to?
I think AMTM did have earnings already, right? If I'm not mistaken.
Yeah, it didn't do much.
Yeah, figured as much.
Oh, well, it did more than expected, but
oh yeah, it did move. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Cool.
well, I gotta check my. I gotta check my calls.
Jeez.
Okay then.
Interesting. I think I hold on. 91930 call. Okay. Oh, I think this is one I was looking at.
Oh yeah.
Nope, it wasn't.
It is up. I should probably sell these. Yeah, I'm gonna sell these.
Okay, so they went from 0.40 to 0.55. So yeah, if you have these, definitely take profits because this resistance there. So those were good. Made a good move. Yeah. What else? Yeah, you can hold it. Yeah, definitely. There's no. If you don't want to sell, that's fine. Okay. SWKS puts.
Oh, my VRTX is up 3,500%. Nice.
Jeez.
Nice.
Are these it? The A15s? I think so, because it has the largest amount of open interest. Maybe not. Oh. Hold on, one second. Sorry. The 62.5, okay. Let's see. There's a lot of existing open interest, so let's see when that came in. I guess it was just ghost open interest. And 69.75, 69.95, 92. Yep, these look good. I like these. Let's see. WKS. Yeah. Definitely looks good. Okay. I'll have to go soon, so
That's fine.
maybe.
I can take over.
Okay.
I'm at
I'm not really good at this.
No, you're good, bro. You're fine. Whatever you're doing is fine. So I can take over if that's the case.
All right.
But yeah, let me end this. Let me open up mine after I set it up. All right, I'll do that. Let me open up my other flow feeds real quickly. Get all that situated. Yeah, I'm gonna be like kind of busy for the next few weeks actually now, unfortunately. But I'll be in and out though, for sure. I know that Sam sent me a message about some type of ticker which I need to figure out and double check. So let me also look at that real quickly. All right, last one to open. All right, no trades. Oh, that's because that's open. Okay. Let's see what we got. All right. This is open. That's open, and I can go ahead and share screen. All right. Can everybody see the screen? Can everyone hear me? Someone give me a thumbs.
Yep.
All right,
Can
perfect.
hear you.
Cool, awesome. All right, you guys know the deal. We'll check out some stuff. I am currently only interested in ER because I don't really have the time to look at anything much. So we'll keep a look at ERs for today. All right, so where did we stop earlier? We stopped with, we want to check SWKS. We just checked that BBIO calls. Let's do that next. So we have the 50 calls come in with high OI on those. We have this could be a possible. Oh no, that's a sold. ST seems like a sold. 1% out of the money. It's a multi. That's 100% multi. That's a multi. That's a multi. Which call are you talking about, Skeptor, for BBIO? Is it this one right here? Because I can almost tell you for more certainly that if they open this at 1.9 and they're closing this at 3, at 2.5. So these are, I'm almost going to tell you most certainly that these are going to be closes. Right? I don't doubt that at all that those are going to be closes. So 1.8, yeah, so 1.8, 2.4, 2.5. So I wouldn't be surprised if you had only half carryover tomorrow for earnings, right? Doesn't mean that you're not. That doesn't mean again that you're not gonna get profits out of it if they hold. You never know. I don't know what's gonna go on with it, but something I wouldn't want to touch because I see somebody taking profit, right? You can also see the dip in net premium overall. We can check for 1 day as well. Yeah, it just goes ping, goes drawn, right? So this is somebody taking profits, which is kind of why I don't like. For the majority part, I like more of the money calls just because it's just easier to track, right? Because most likely people are not gonna buy out the money calls expecting a massive premium grab right before earnings, right? So that's why I look for more of the money calls. We'll check out MOS. I was just typed MOS, so I did like MOS. Let's see. Yeah, MOS that 30p has that 32p has a really distinct volume over OI. I am heavily tempted to buy into these. So this one, your peak is at 0.08 average fill. This one is a 0.08 average fill. Maybe a couple scared feet on here, which is not much, right? But I am heavily tempted to think about that. Yeah, if it hits money sprinting, IV is not super high, but yeah, this is very interesting. I mean, it is range based. It's 10% out of the money they're expecting. If I look at the actual stock, they changed this front loader up. So if I change the actual stock, you're looking at, yeah, I mean it's seems as clear as day in my opinion. If I look at this, the most loved call flow, they've been in since 2.05 for the call for 12/13 since December, right? This is kind of like a they should be technically out. I don't know why they're not out because they're quote unquote for the same person. They're up. So this is definitely a sell. Um, this one, when have they been in since? 1,500, 4,000. Blood trickle over here on the money. So they're just bag. These people seem like they're bag holding, right? If I look at prior earnings, had some decent moves, right? It's like it's been within like expected move average. Besides this one here, so I don't know if I'm gonna expect a huge move from MOS. I don't know how bad it's gonna be according to that, right? But we'll see. Huge sell premium compared to buy premium. Let's look at the closest. Let's do 3 months. Yeah, lots of sell premium, lots of sell premium, lots more sell premium, right? So I'm gonna go on the air of side of putts for this one. Unless somebody has any other recommendation or something to say about MOS or they have been seeing about MOS. So 8-5 after hours is today. 35.7 you have a levels over here. For 35 is your support, and it cracks that, you're going all the way down for a while. You have 37 is high gamma level though, so positive gamma level up there. So price is riding over. So I mean, honestly, anything can happen here. I'm in the higher positive GX though, so it could be that. I'm not sure, but I like this. I like this 32 play more than the others. So I don't mind risking 30-40 bucks on it, getting a few contracts, right? If I would get it. But that's just my 2 cents on that. We'll see how that plays. I would like to see more come in actually. We have app for tomorrow. Did anything come in for app on DGen? Let's check. Dude, this is just noisy. Yikes. Yikes. I'd like to see something a little bit more closer out of the money, to be honest, an app. I mean, you have these, you have those. Anybody want to look at the chart and tell me if they have any idea of the chart for app? That'd be great. Anybody can chart well, or better than I can at least. That way, that'd be good. ANET is another one. NFP is looking like more so P's, right? You have that 1.5K. That's about it for calls this day. But you have that 100K, 7% of the money. Expensive. But app on open trades most calls. Okay, that's fine. APP. I will wait for app for a little bit later. Maybe you might have a buzzer on app, but yeah, and it looks like it's gonna be bearish for the most part. What else do we have? Okay, let me peruse through this. Oh, tomorrow after hours, then I'm not even gonna bother right now. We got Bumble calls. Interesting. Oh, it's tomorrow after hours. Okay. It's like, huh. Yeah, I did see this. How did CRBG do? KGS. Consensus on toast is mixed, Swips. He said the puts look good, but overall consensus kind of mixed on toast, from what I remember. There's a lot of A-Lab calls coming in. It's pretty pricey though overall for A-Lab. It's pricey, and also the spreads are kind of wonky for the cheaper ones, right? So I'm not. I don't know. Like this, I mean, yeah, you're getting hit up the ass for this. So 175. That is kind of suspicious, but getting filled up right here. Let's just get down. Maybe some profits here. Roller coaster line. Interesting. Very, very interesting. What else do we have today? Let me check something real quickly. I know that Scepter was talking to me about something Mabobby. Not Scepter, Sam was talking to me about something Mabobby. PRCH. Yeah, that's something I want to check out. He was talking about that, so we'll take a peek at that right now. PRCH is anything that popped up. Nothing on PRCH, so expensive. This is a mid situation. Yeah, more so mid. Multi. Oh, he went out more. Interesting. Okay. All right. We'll keep eyes on PRCH. ANET. $829, 110. I mean, it's definitely interesting. These are possibly sells. It could be possible sells because you're getting an average of 3.3 here, and these are 3.37, 3.4. You got 3.29, 3.2, 3.18. So I would assume some of these could be sells, right? You're not. I mean, it's down 1%. They're probably trying to get a premium grabber quickly, so that would be my consensus on that. I wouldn't. It's expensive for me, so I might get a lot on something, but we'll see. RWD RDW is there. We got Emerson. Tomorrow after hours. Fizz. Free market today. Oh, this is interesting. Run. Let's take a look at run. Yeah, I'll take a peek. Run 8:15, 10 calls. Still OI is like monstrous. 2. Oh, interesting. They're still down. 11,000 over here, 1.22. Maybe run calls might be the move, even though there were puts on there. Yeah, maybe. This is definitely, yeah, this might be a sell here. Could be a pot. This is definitely a sell. This is 36. 5, maybe not. Okay. What was it? You said FIS Fist calls. Yeah, I saw this coming in. ER pre-market. It was pre-market today. Sector for the ER. They already had earnings. It is FIS. This is interesting. CPRI. This might be IFF. Okay, I'll take a look. Put a CPRI down here. I'll take a gander at CPRI right here. CPRI Capri Holdings. Looking at the 815, 9.19.5, we are sitting at, so they're already up, seems like. So maybe a last minute sale might come in. Good possibility. What else do we got? IFF. We've posted the puts. I'm seeing the calls, so I'm curious to see what happens after. I got 75 calls for that IFF. No, I don't know. I think my luck's gonna run out this time around, dude. To be honest with you. Looks like some are closing though, Scepter. Possible some closing. 0.91 candle to a 1.0 candle. Possible some of them are closing. So you have 154 volumes, I would say. Yeah, I mean, they're holding still, so we'll see. Definitely interesting. But, yeah. Alright, I do have to get off in like 15 minutes because I still have stuff to do. But, I'll be in and out, but I can't really stream after that 15. But if you guys have more questions, please keep asking so I can check before I leave. Ooh, Harmy. When is ER for this? Damn, it was pre-market today. It's pre-market. It's a pre-market today, Scepter. I know, I just saw it too. I was kind of excited when I saw it. Yeah, man, I was real excited when I saw it. I got all tingly. I was like, that looks 245,000. I mean, this might be a... Well, look at this. How I look at that spread, though. That spread is absolutely gnarly. More snap. U puts. U is... ER is pre-market tomorrow. U puts. But not much premium. And there's calls. And there's more calls. And there's more calls. Yowzers. Consensus on Snap. It's a meme stock, in my opinion. But you have this ridiculous flow. It's bullish. It looks bullish because look at this. This is like. Let me smack the bid. Trying to see if I can see at least one ask. Yeah, here's the multi for the ask. Buying the 7588. Long putt butterfly. To be honest with you, Skepter, I don't know. I really don't know. This multi-leg butterfly and stuff kind of confused me. So, if you want to, if you think Snap's gonna move a lot today, you can go ahead and buy straddle. You can buy a put and a call pretty far the money for cheap and see how that works. That's always an option too, right? So So half and half. Puts and there's calls. So I really don't know. Uber. Here's your Uber. So speak and you shall receive. Ask and you shall receive. You
I haven't
ask.
seen any Uber flow recently until now.
Yeah, I was like, ask and you shall receive Uber. You had a put like a few days ago, and then you have a call that just came in on DGen, right? And it kind of juiced that premium. So maybe that is what's causing that premium juice. No, it's not causing that premium juice. I'm curious to see what caused that premium juice. Um, this caused some premium juice. All right, it's a multi here. There we go. Find out what this multi is. Call front spread. What the hell is a call front spread, dude? Give me a second. I gotta look it up.
Apparently, it's like a 9-leg something or other.
Okay, so guess what? I'm not gonna do that because I don't want to even think about that. My head hurts thinking about a put spread. Excuse me, I'm yawning again, but um,
Buy a call and sell 2 calls. All right.
what else do we have? Did you get out of Pfizer, Bean?
Yeah, I did.
Nice. Very nice.
Oh my god, it's still going.
Oh, this is a good one. BLMN. What is cooking over here, guys? 7.5p. They got in at 0.15. It is currently at 0.2. I don't know if they're gonna get out or not, but this is extremely interesting because 73% total premium, 124% IV. Interesting. That might be worth a little gamble. What is going on? Why is he doing that? You have the high OI on calls though, which is kind of concerning to me. Can you check the chart for this, please, Bean? BLMN.
Yeah. Let's see. Looks pretty bearish.
Okay, good. That's all I need to hear. Okay. Yeah, I'm a lead on the sign of bearish for these 7.5 for 815. Seems like a probably a good mover. Maybe it'll move properly. We'll see. We had a lot of bullish flow before though, so keep that in mind. Move wise, they move a heck of a lot most of the time. It seems like with an expected move, but sometimes they are out. And then Q4 2024 it was down 17%. So expected move right now is 16%. So keep that in mind when playing it. If you're gonna play it, let me take a look at it as well. BLMN. Blooming brands. Interesting. Very interesting.
Oh, they own Outback Steakhouse. Okay.
Oh, I'm buying all the puts possible for that.
I think you suggested a supply and demand indicator, if I'm not mistaken. Can you share? Yeah, sure. Let me get the site. It's called Lux Algo.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that. Oh, that's too much.
Yeah.
I completely forgot about that. Mo Bros calls. Dutch Bros. I feel like Bros is gonna knock it out of the park tomorrow. Dropbox.
Oh yeah.
Dropbox is gonna be good tomorrow too. By the way, so just something to keep my eyes on for Dropbox.
Yeah, Dutch Bros is in a good spot right now on the chart.
Anybody playing AMD?
I was thinking about it, but I don't think I will.
Sube. I need some Sube love. CPNG is after hours.
Yeah, someone was mentioning that, I think.
It looks pretty bullish according to Flow. Even though they're hell out of the money. I mean, hell out of the expiration, like way far out. Interesting. Alright, what else do we have? Sound Honey Yar. 8-7. Dave, we already had it, I think. Oh no, Dave's tomorrow morning. So a lot of Dave calls yesterday too. HY's after hours with a 6K premium. That looks like a DGen trying to play that. Cody. To be decided. Cart. 8-7. Huge MOS puts. Yeah. Yeah, MOS is hella looking bearish. Yeah, I do like that a lot. DGen picked that up. Very nice. Good pickup. Yeah, MOS looks like it wants to just fall off a cliff, I think. Right, Bean? You checked the chart earlier.
Which one?
MOS.
They actually it has support, but it like bonks its head, so it's kind of weird. I don't know what it wants to do. I think it's kind of undecided.
Yeah, seems like it.
There's just not much happening today.
Yeah, I'm trying to catch like one of those weird ones that populated. We had a few of those that did populate. Tomorrow is what, the 6th? Yeah. I want to see what the IVs like on these MOS puts. They're not horrible. 77% IV on these. If it ends up dropping significantly, let's say it drops 10%. It's not a bad amount to play with.
Oh my god, there's more SG calls.
Sweet green. All right. When is SG earnings?
Oh, the August 7th. It does not look good.
Oh, Jobby earnings are tomorrow too.
Yeah, I saw some puts on that. Looks okay.
When is MOS ER after hours today? Oh yeah. It's looking diabolical. Yeah, I mean, expected move is not much, but it's interesting. Very interesting for sure. What else do we have? Ooh, QSI sold. Okay, what else do we have? This looks a little slower today. A lab puts are coming in. So we have that. Shop puts. What do you say? Shop? Oh. Shop. Shopify. Expensive, my friend. I will stay away from that unless I see anything crazy towards the end. I like MOS puts right now. We'll see if we get any calls. I don't think we're going to get much call flow, but we had call flow prior, though. So there's a lot of call flow that came prior. Like the 815.37 call had 169,000. So this I'm interested to see if they took any profits on. I don't. Doesn't seem like it, at least. No, I mean these guys are still in here, so I would be very off MOS puts, to be honest, just because of this massive spike in call premium right here. So, um, yeah, that 37 calls seems to be getting a lot of loving. So I don't know. Honestly, I don't know. So this is a tough one. No, I didn't see much for AMD either, man. To be honest, nothing on UPS and AMD. I'll wait till later on, but um, hold on. All right, so yeah, I do have to hop off over here for a little bit, but I won't probably won't come back today, but we'll definitely try and do a stream tomorrow, unless anybody else wants to take over tomorrow. They're welcome to as well, but that's up to them. I'll reach out to somebody else to see if they want to host as well. But other than that, I think I will stop at that for today because I do have to go do something. But we'll definitely plan for tomorrow. And then if you guys do have any more questions, please post in the jungle chat. We can all look at it together, right? But yeah, I'm gonna cut it off here for right now. Alrighty, guys.